In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a Word document to Google Docs in the simplest way possible. This is a really handy skill to have in your toolkit, especially if you're working on collaborative projects or need to access your documents across various devices. Let's dive right in and get started. Firstly, you'll want to open up Google Docs in your web browser. You can find this by navigating to docx.google.com or selecting it from your Google apps if you're already signed into your Google account. Once you're in Google Docs, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on File and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down menu, you need to click on Open. You'll notice several options such as Recent, My Drive, Shared with Me, Starred, Computers, and eventually Upload. Since our goal today is to upload a Word document that's currently stored on your computer, you'll want to choose Upload from these options. Clicking Upload will bring up another dialog box with a button labeled Browse. Give that a click. Now, by clicking on Browse, you're presented with your computer's File Explorer. This is where you need to locate the Word document you wish to upload. Navigate through your folders until you find that specific file. Once you've found your Word document, click on it to select it and then click Open. By taking this step, you're doing more than just opening a document. You're actually uploading it into your Google Drive, providing you with the convenience of accessing it from anywhere you have internet access. With the upload complete, it's time to view your document in Google Drive. To do this, open a new tab in your browser and head over to Google Drive by navigating to drive.google.com. When you're in your Google Drive, you should see the Word document you just uploaded. Go ahead and right-click on that file. When you do this, a menu will appear with an option that says Open With. From the given options, choose Google Docs. This action will open the document directly in Google Docs, enabling you to view, edit, and format it just as you would any document originally created in Google Docs. Now that your Word document is fully integrated into Google Docs, you can make any edits or changes needed. Should you want to save it back onto your computer, it's quite simple. Just click on File again and navigate to Download. Here you can choose the file format you wish to download, such as Word, PDF, or others to best suit your needs. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a Word document into Google Docs and have learned how to easily manage your documents across platforms. If you found this tip useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.